Have you ever stopped to think about what's happening right under your feet? It's not just dirt and rocks. Down there, in a world hidden from our eyes, entire civilizations are thriving. I am talking about the incredible underground cities built by one of nature's most masterful architects, the ant. Today, we're going on an amazing journey deep into the earth to uncover the secrets of these tiny engineers. We'll explore how they construct sprawling metropolises that can rival our own cities in complexity and efficiency. It's a story of teamwork, incredible strength, and ingenious design that will change the way you see these common insects forever. So, what does an ant city actually look like? To get a simple hole in the ground, we're talking about a labyrinth of interconnected tunnels and chambers, stretching meters deep and covering an area the size of a living room or even larger. These aren't just random burrows. Every part of the colony has a specific purpose, designed with incredible precision. At the very heart of the colony, deep and protected, lies the royal chamber. This is where the queen resides, the mother of the entire city. Her only job is to lay eggs, thousands of them, ensuring the colony's future. Surrounding her are nurseries, special chambers where worker ants care for the eggs, larvae, and pupae. They maintain the perfect temperature and humidity, acting as dedicated nannies for the next generation. Moving up from the core, you'll find the city's food storage units. Think of them as pantries or granaries. Forager ants bring back seeds, leaves, or other food, which is then stored in these dry, ventilated chambers to prevent it from spoiling. It's a sophisticated logistics system that ensures the colony has enough food to survive, even through harsh winters or droughts. Then there are the living quarters for the worker ants, trash disposal areas to keep the nest clean and prevent disease, and even designated cemeteries. Yes, you heard that right. Ants are incredibly hygienic and will carry their dead to specific chambers away from the living areas. It's this level of organization that makes their societies so successful. But how do they build all this? It starts with a single queen. After her mating flight, a new queen will find a suitable spot, dig a small burrow, and lay her first batch of eggs. She raises these first workers, known as nanitics, all by herself. Once these workers mature, they take over all the tasks, foraging for food, expanding the nest, and caring for the new brood. The queen then dedicates herself entirely to laying eggs, and the colony begins to grow exponentially. The real magic is in the excavation process. An ant can carry soil particles, many times its own body weight. One by one, grain by grain, they excavate the tunnels. They don't just dig randomly. Scientists believe they follow simple rules, responding to things like carbon dioxide levels, humidity, and pheromone trails left by other ants. This collective intelligence, known as stigmogy, allows them to build complex structures without a central blueprint or a single leader giving orders. Each ant contributes its small part, and the result is a perfectly functional and adaptive architectural marvel. Let's talk about the sheer scale of some of these colonies. Take the leafcutter ants of South America. Their nests are colossal. Scientists once poured 10 tons of concrete into an abandoned leafcutter colony to create a cast of its structure. What they unearthed was breathtaking. The structure covered over 50 square meters and went 8 meters deep. It was an underground megacity with main highways, side streets, ventilation shafts, and countless chambers. They estimated the ants had moved 40 tons of soil to build it. That's the equivalent of a single human building the Great Wall of China. This incredible feat is all about teamwork. There's a strict division of labor. You have the foragers who venture out to find food. The soldiers, often larger with powerful mandibles, defend the nest from intruders. The nursery workers tend to the young, and the construction workers, the excavators, are constantly maintaining and expanding their home. Every ant knows its job and performs it for the good of the colony. It's a perfect example of a superorganism where the entire colony acts as a single, unified being. The architecture itself is genius. The tunnels are designed for efficient traffic flow, preventing jams even with thousands of ants moving about. They build ventilation shafts that regulate temperature and airflow, ensuring a fresh supply of oxygen deep underground and preventing a buildup of carbon dioxide. This natural air conditioning system is crucial for the survival of a population that can number in the millions. The entire structure is also remarkably stable, designed to prevent collapses. These underground cities are not just homes, they are vital ecosystems. By tunneling through the soil, ants aerate it, which helps water and nutrients reach plant roots. They play a crucial role in decomposition and seed dispersal. Their activities enrich the soil and contribute to the health of the entire environment. They are not just tiny engineers, they are essential gardeners of our planet. So the next time you see a line of ants marching on the pavement, remember what lies beneath. It's not just a nest, it's a bustling, organized, and brilliantly designed city. A testament to what can be achieved through teamwork, hard work, and millions of years of evolutionary engineering. The world of ants reminds us that some of the most extraordinary wonders of nature are hidden just out of sight, waiting to be discovered. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the earth. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more incredible stories from the natural world, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us create more content for you. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. See you in the next video.